Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to switch your personal Pinterest account to a business account. So this is my Pinterest account and I am just going to click the three dots on the top right and go to settings. Then afterwards, I'm going to go to account management. Then I'm going to scroll down to convert to business account. And then I'm going to click on this red convert account, that button. Then I'm going to add your profile name. So I'm going to add my profile name. Then, do you have a website? No website yet. You're going to fill out all the necessary information that they are asking, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and edit where I need to edit. If I need to edit the profile pic, I'm just going to go ahead and edit my profile pic. This is how you convert your Pinterest from personal to business. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and bye for now.